Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Shakhriyar Mamedyarov and Ben Galstian. This game was played in Spain in 2002. Shakhriyar Mamedyarov had white pieces and he started with d4. Ben Galstian played c5. Now d5. Knight to f6, c4, b5. Benko Gambit. White to move. C takes on b5 is the most played move. Shakhriyar Mamedyarov played queen to c2. B takes on c4, e4. This was the idea behind queen to c2. e6, knight to c3, bishop to b7, pressure is on the pawn on d5. Bishop takes on c4, e takes on d5, e takes on d5, d6, knight from g to e2, intending knight to g3, and then knight to f5. Bishop to e7, knight to g3, and both players castled king's side. g6, preventing knight to f5. But dark squares around the black king are weakened. How relevant is that? Bishop to g5, knight from b to d7, placing the rook on the open file. Rook to e8, f4, intending f5. And now the game becomes very interesting. Galstian played h6. White to move. This is the critical position of the game. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Shakhriyar Mamedyarov played f5. What a move! If bishop takes on h6, then knight to g4, attacking the bishop, and after bishop to g5, bishop takes on g5, f takes on g5, rook takes on e1, rook takes on e1, queen takes on g5. Black is okay. In this position, Mamedyarov surprised his opponent by playing f5. Black to move. First move that comes to mind is pawn takes bishop. Galstian played king to g7. Of course he examined h takes on g5 and didn't like this continuation. F takes on g6. F takes on g6. Queen takes on g6 check. King to h8. Queen to h6 check. King to g8. Rook to f5. And white is winning. After say, what can black play? Knight to h5. Knight takes on h5. And let's go back. In this position, if black doesn't take the pawn and plays knight to f8, then pawn takes pawn on f7 check, king takes on f7, bishop to b5 attacking the rook, and white is winning in this variation too. Back to our game. So, Galstian played king to g7, f takes on g6, f takes on g6. Again, if h takes on g5, g takes on f7, rook to h8, knight to f5 check, king takes pawn, knight takes on e7, and white is winning. Back to our game. So we have f takes on g6, bishop to f4, knight to g4, h3, knight from g to e5, bishop takes on e5, knight takes on e5. White to move. How would you continue now? What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Which is the best placed black piece and what you can do about it? Shakhriyar Mamedyarov sacrificed the exchange, removing black's best placed piece. They takes on e5. But what now? What is the follow-up? Without the follow-up, the exchange sacrifice will not work. What would you do? Shakhriyar and Mamedyarov played knight to h5 check. G takes on h5. If king moves to h7, then rook to f7 check, and after king to h8, queen takes on g6, and white is winning. Back to our game. So after knight to h5 check, we have g takes on h5. White to move. Why did Shakhriyar Mamedyarov sacrifice the knight? Please pause and find the best move for white. What did you find? White played the move and black resigned. Shakhriyar played rook to f7 Shach, and Galstian resigned in view of this continuation. King takes rook. Queen to h7 check. King to f6. What else? If king goes to f8, then queen takes on h6 check, and after king to f7, d6 discover check, and after bishop to d5, bishop takes on d5 checkmate. If king goes to f6, then knight to e4 checkmate. And what else? Let's go back. In this position, if king to h8 is played, then queen to h7 checkmate. What a game! What a brilliant game! What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.